So I couldn't find a video on exactly how to do this, so I'm gonna make my own. 2018 Promaster. My headlights don't work just for the same reason that everybody else's don't work. Nobody knows, I guess. Well, at least I don't know. So I'm replacing them today with LEDs. I already got them out. You can look that up in a different video. Here are the ones I used, the SV4. Got this off a forum. Had to do a lot of searching. So I'm gonna try to make this quicker. A lot of questions on the forum, or general questions like people like me, where the heck do you plug this thing into? It looks just like a regular plug. Answer is, show you, sit down. Plugs into this connector here. Boom. This is what your light bulb is connected into. You pull your light bulb, that there, out of this, and your LEDs fit right into that. So there's that one for you. Next thing, a lot of people are having to glue their lights in. Here's the light that I got with the SV4. Let me show you. It has a removable collar. So boom, this thing helps you adjust it even after you've got it glued in. You glue it all in, you figure out you don't have it adjusted correctly, you can just go back and then move this little collar. There's a little ball bearing in here, whatever you want to call that, that helps it adjust to the different settings. You want it sideways. You don't want it up and down. You want it sideways in your housing. First thing you're going to do, get your lights off. Get your lights off. Get some epoxy or some RTV gasket sealant. Then you're going to take this collar and you're going to glue it. You're going to glue this collar directly around that little silver that silver ring right there, that little silver opening. I'm going to take this collar and show you how I'm going to glue mine in there. You're going to glue that collar right there. That's where it's going to sit. Once you got it glued on there, you're just going to go ahead, plug your LED into where your headlight plugs into its original, what do you want to call that, adapter. And then you're just going to put your LED in there. You can twist it around, see the different circles in there until you get it to the optimal adjustment. Problem is, this is what everyone's dremeling. You see this on the very bottom right there, that little line right on the ring. So that's what's going to keep your collar from being flush. You have to get rid of that. After I end this video, I'm going to go ahead and Dremel that down. It's pretty soft plastic, and I'm going to make it to where I can get my collar flush around this ring. I'm going to glue my collar to this ring after I Dremel this away, and then once it's all set, I'm going to pop my LED in there. Basically just put it all back together, and that's it. That's the hard part. So there you go.